The Lelit Anna is from group of espresso machines for those who are approaching the world of prosumer machines. You will be amazed to see how easy it is to get exceptional espressos and milk-based drinks. Armed with a built-in water tank, single and double filter basket, blind filter and a porter filter, this lightweight stainless steel machine is the best upgrade for your daily coffee needs. With the steam wand, you will make fantastic cappuccinos and you will have hot water for your American coffees, teas or herbal infusions. Ideal for small families or for those that drink espresso in moderation.